academic journey reaches its culmination, it becomes a moment not only to conclude but also to celebrate achievements, acknowledgements, and contributions that reflect upon the knowledge which is shared. On behalf of the School of Engineering and Technology, we now arrive at the valedictory session of the International Conference on Advanced Materials for Sustainable Innovation, IC-AMSI 2026. Over the past sessions, this conference has successfully brought together global researchers, academicians, and industry experts. The deliberations and research presentations during this conference have undoubtedly strengthened academic collaboration and knowledge dissemination. We now begin the valedictory function with the formal welcome of our dignitaries and participants. It is now my honor to invite Professor Sunil Gupta Sir, Director, VSET, and Advisory Chair of the conference to deliver the valedictory address. Sir has been a guiding force behind the successful organization of IC-AMSI 2026 and has consistently encouraged interdisciplinary academic excellence. Sir, I request you to kindly.
Good morning, everyone. So I hope in these 2 days from the yesterday and no doubt the today, you learn something from that advanced material. Yes or no? Yes. Is it exactly yes or something else? So whatever yesterday I already told you that. So whatever that you are learning, so please do note in your copy or whatever in a mobile phone, so that after some moment of time that the notes will give you the number of the innovations. So whatever that you're learning, please do in your habit. It is my just the thing that what I am doing and nowadays and from the past, that whatever that you are learning, just if you note in your copy, so that will be as a remark you can see anytime. So that will be good for us. So no doubt we are on a closing remarks of that international conference on this advanced material for the sustainable development, and I hope we learned a lot of things from that one. So I'm very thankful to all the guests, those who delivered the lectures. Especially thanks. Yesterday I was there when the Dr. Ram Ashish Choksey was saying about regarding the DRDO, and I had a number of interaction with the sir, and I learned a lot of things from the sir. I hope you also did the same part, because the DRDO doing a lot of the things in a sense of the advanced material. I already discussed with sir that they already organizing one of the event regarding this, which is a collaboration with the academia, industry, and the DRDO, that is a defense. So those who are interested, please do register for that one. So that will be good for us, because it is a collaboration between the academia as well as the defense and the industry. So I am very thankful to the Dr. Ram Ashish Choksey, and please clap for him because they gave a very valuable talk yesterday. We also gone through the talk, which was online, no doubt, but that was a very valuable, because the number of the researchers was involved in that talk by Dr. P.C. Deshmukh. He is a professor of a Center of Quantum Science and Technology, and he given the talk on basically the novel material, and I hope you already gone through that talk. If not, please go through we already have a recorded lecture regarding this one, so you can go through. So the number of things he already discussed regarding what the nanomaterial, how the AI is doing the things on the nanomaterial, and the number of the things that we can do. Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh, the keynote talk, he is also from the DRDO, the same organization from where the Dr. Ram Ashish ji here, and they give the talk on the sustainability and the self-reliant India. So I'm very thankful to the Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh also. And the talk that discussed yesterday by the Professor Harish Kumar, he given the talk on the metrology in additive manufacturing. So I hope if you was there, so you already know regarding all these things. most of thankful to all the audience, those who were present here, and the yesterday, all the faculty members, especially the convener, co-convener, and the coordinators, those make this event, the amazing event that is basically, which is a demand of the society and the nation. And in every of my lecture, as well as in the things, I always say that we are always with a vision of the university and the nation, that is a man-making, character building, and the nation building. So we are doing, and we are on our right track. One talk was there, the Professor Manoj Gupta. He is from NUS Singapore. That is, the title is in a past, present, and the future of the magnificent magnesium and the engineering and the biomedical application. That was an online talk. I hope you also gone through. If not, please go to the talk which they already given, because that was also valuable talk. I seen that is an online talk. I was in my chamber and I seen that talk was very, very useful. Those who are in a inclined way or the things they want to do. So the thing that we discuss, the advanced material is a need of the, not today, but the tomorrow, for the future generation, so that we can save our planet and save the nation also. So thank you everyone. Thank you the students, those who are present here, all the innovators, all the delegates, all those who are present in this room, online, offline. I am very thankful to each and every person. And please, this conference is not just for the talk and the exchange of the information, but this talk is to generate the future. And as you all are the innovators and the researchers and the dear student, because you already have a number of potential and the future is depend upon your responsibilities. So please do something for the nation. Thank you. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and continuous support towards academic and research excellence. Moving ahead with the ceremony, we will now have the floral welcome symbolizing respect and gratitude towards our dignitaries. I humbly request Director Sir and Professor Nidhi Sharma ma'am to kindly present the floral greetings to our esteemed guest. Ma'am and sir. I request Dr. Ram Ashish Choksey sir to be on stage. I now invite Professor Ajay Singh Singoli sir. A huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Every academic celebration becomes more meaningful when blended with cultural expression. Today's conference, focusing on Viksit Bharat theme 2047, added vibrancy to this occasion. I now invite Shri Doval to have the poetry recitation.
सुप्रभात। मैं भारत हूँ, सिर्फ एक देश नहीं, एक लगातार चलती हुई सभ्यता। मेरा सफ़र कभी एक दिन में शुरू नहीं हुआ और ना ही किसी एक मंजिल पर समाप्त होगा। मैंने समय को देखा है, परिवर्तन को समझा है और हर युग के साथ खुद को नए रूप में बदलते हुए देखा है। आज मैं अपने अतीत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के बीच में खड़ा हूँ, जहाँ स्मृति भी है, जिम्मेदारी भी और दृष्टि भी। हाँ, मैं भारत हूँ। मेरी पहचान युगों से निखरी जाती है। मेरी मिट्टी में ज्ञान, तपस्या और पुरुषार्थ की कहानियाँ लिखी गई है। हर पतन के बाद भी मैं फिर उठकर खड़ा हुआ हूँ। समय ने परीक्षा ली है मगर हर बार उस पर खड़ा उतरा हूँ। आज मैं वर्तमान के दौर में नए कदम बढ़ा रहा हूँ। परंपरा के साथ प्रगति का साथ निभा रहा हूँ। शिक्षा, विज्ञान और स्वास्थ्य के मार्ग पर आगे बढ़ते जा रहा हूँ। विश्व के पटल पर अपनी नई राह बनाते जा रहा हूँ। आने वाला भारत जिम्मेदारियों से विकास को अपनाएगा, अर्थव्यवस्था को मजबूत करते हुए अपनी नई पहचान बनाएगा। विकसित होने का अर्थ सिर्फ प्रगति नहीं होगी, बल्कि सबका साथ और सबका विकास होगा। और अब कुछ युवा पूछेंगे कि ये संघर्ष आखिर कब खत्म होगा, तो याद रखना, लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ही ताकत भरता है। सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो उतना खूब निखरता है। हीरे को जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है। मिट्टी का बर्तन पकता है तब जाकर धुन पर खनकता है। सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा जलना होगा। नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा। और हम आदम के बेटे हैं, क्यों सोचे राह सरल होगा। कुछ वक्त लगेगा ज़रूर, मगर ये संघर्ष ज़रूर सफल होगा। ये संघर्ष ज़रूर सफल होगा। इसी आशा और प्यार के साथ मैं भारत आप सबसे विदा लेता हूँ।
Thank you, Shrey. I now invite Mayank for the musical performance. Thank you, Mayank. I now invite Nishtha with Manasvi. Manvi. यार तू करियो राम का गुणगान करिए, राम का गुणगान करिए, राम प्रभु की भद्रता का सभ्यता का ध्यान धरिए, ध्यान करिए, राम
राम के गुण गुण चिरंतन, राम के गुण गुण चिरंतन, राम गुण सुमिरन रतन धन, राम गुण सुमिरन रतन धन। मनुजता को कर विभूषित, मनुजता को कर विभूषित, मनुज का सम्मान करिए, ध्यान धरिए, राम का गुणगान करिए, राम का गुणगान। सगुण ब्रह्म स्वरूप सुंदर, सगुण ब्रह्म स्वरूप सुंदर, सुजन रंजन रूप सुख कर, सुजन रंजन रूप सुख कर। मन राम आत्मा, राम आत्मा, राम आत्मा, राम आत्मा, राम का सम्मान करिए, ध्यान धरिए, राम का गुणगान करिए, राम का गुणगान। थैंक यू।
Thank you, students, for such a wonderful performance. Your grace and captivity has actually captured the enhancement with reference to the cultural connotation. Now, it's my privilege to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Ram Ashish Choksey, sir, a senior scientist at DRDO Solid State Physical Laboratory. Dr. Choksey is a distinguished scientific leader with over 25 years of experience in advanced research, innovation management, and institutional development. Sir has played a significant role in DRDO's material science and semiconductor technology programs and has been honored with prestigious recognitions including Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam National Star Award and Agni Award for Excellence in Self-Reliance. He is widely respected for his contribution to scientific administration, knowledge dissemination, and interdisciplinary research initiative. I humbly invite Dr. Ram Ashish Choksey, sir, to address the gathering. A huge round of applause for sir.
नमस्कार। माननीय अतिथिगण, शिक्षाविद एवं विदुषी, साथ में प्यारे छात्रों, भारत के भविष्य। इस वर्कशॉप के 2 दिवस में आपने जो कुछ सीखा है, अब वक्त आ गया है कि उसको समराइज करके अपने दैनिक जीवन में उतारने का। आपको बताता चाहता हूं कि अभी की जो प्रस्तुतियां हुई उससे आपको एक मैसेज सीखना चाहिए। आज देश में भगवान राम क्यों पूजे जाते हैं? इसलिए क्योंकि राम बन गए, इसलिए वन गए। आपको एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना होगा कि भगवान राम के जीवन में जितनी कठिनाइयाँ आईं उतना वो निखरते चले गए और आज देश में पूजनीय हो गए, सबके आदर्श हो गए। इसी तरीके से ऐसे जो कार्यक्रम आप लोग संचालित करते हैं या जिनमें आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, उससे कुछ ना कुछ सीख करके अपने दैनिक जीवन में उतारना चाहिए। आज मैं आप सबको एक खुला आमंत्रण देता हूं कि भारत, कल भी मैंने कहा था कि भारत ने जो सपना देखा है विकसित भारत होने का, उसमें आप सब लोग अपनी अपनी आहुतियां डालिए। वो कैसे डाल सकते हैं? अगर आपको रास्ता नहीं पता है तो मैं आज आपको आमंत्रित करता हूं, डीआरडीओ की जिन भी परियोजनाओं में, जिन भी प्रकल्पों में आप एसोसिएट होना चाहते हैं, आप अपने निदेशक महोदया या मैडम को मैंने अपना कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल दिया है, उसमें आप सम्मिलित हो सकते हैं। जो छात्र हैं मैं उनको अपनी प्रयोगशाला भ्रमण करने के लिए आमंत्रण दे रहा हूँ। साथ में फैकल्टी को भी आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ कि आप हमारी प्रयोगशाला को भ्रमण करिए, हम आपको लेटेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी को दिखाएंगे, जिससे आप में जागरूकता पैदा होगी। दूसरा, हमारी जो रक्षा मंत्रालय है वो छात्रों के लिए इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम, स्किल इंडिया डेवलपमेंट में ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम लेकर के आई है। इसमें दो पहलू हैं, एक अनपेड ट्रेनिंग और दूसरा पेड ट्रेनिंग। 6 मंथ का आप प्रोजेक्ट वर्क अगर हमारे साथ करना चाहते हैं और अगर आप वो परियोजना जो देश में रक्षा से संबंधित हैं उनमें लगते हैं तो अपने आप आपकी आहुति इस विकसित भारत के यज्ञ में डल जाएगी। इसके अलावा ग्रांट इन एड स्कीम ना केवल डीआरडीओ में है बल्कि गवर्नमेंट की डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट, इसरो, बार्क वगैरह सब में है, लेकिन आप लोगों को उसकी जानकारी का अभाव रहता है। आप हमसे कांटेक्ट करिए। ग्रांट इन एड स्कीम में हम जो आपकी प्रयोगशालाएं हैं उनको सुदृढ़ करने के लिए अनुदान देते हैं। ये अनुदान तब दिया जाता है कि जब आपका कार्य सर्विसेज से रिलेटेड हो। सर्विसेज मतलब हमारी तीनों सेनाओं की आवश्यकताओं को देखते हुए या समाज के किसी हित में हो। आपका जो इंस्टीट्यूट है अगर वो देश हित से संबंधित किसी भी वर्कशॉप, सेमिनार, सिम्पोजियम को आयोजित करता है, उसके लिए भी एक पार्ट अनुदान हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रदान करता है। इसके अलावा आपको तकनीकी के क्षेत्र में लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी में, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और मशीन लर्निंग के फील्ड में अगर एक प्लेटफॉर्म की आवश्यकता है तो भी आप हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आने वाला युग इन बच्चों का युग है। आज आप देख रहे होंगे जो भी कोर्स चल रहे हैं, सारे कोर्सों लगभग सभी को AIML से एसोसिएट कर दिया गया है। तो इस तरीके की कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, वर्कशॉप, सेमिनार में आप हिस्सेदारी सुनिश्चित करते हैं तो अपने आप को इसमें समायोजित करिए, इससे सीखिए और देश के न केवल DRDO बल्कि ऐसे बहुत सारे संस्थान हैं जो आपकी सेवा के लिए तत्पर हैं, उनसे आप एसोसिएट होइए। अगर आपको रास्ता वे पता नहीं चल रहा है तो आप, चूँकि मैं मानव संसाधन एवं विकास विभाग को देख रहा हूँ, तो आप हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं। मैं 24/7 अवेलेबल रहता हूँ। आप मैसेज करिए, मैं उसका रिप्लाई त्वरित देता हूँ। इस कार्यक्रम के सफल आयोजन के लिए आयोजनकर्ताओं को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ और आपने इस सम्मेलन में अपनी सहभागिता सुनिश्चित की। आप सब बधाई के पात्र हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir. I would now like to introduce our chief guest, Professor Ajay Singh Singoli, sir, Director, University School of Automation and Robotics, Director, IPU Innovation and Incubation Foundation, GGS IPU. Professor Singoli is an eminent academician and researcher specializing in robotics, automation, Industry 4.0, AI-driven systems and IoT technologies. With multiple international patents and extensive research publications, he has significantly contributed to advanced manufacturing and sustainable innovation. Sir has been an instrumental force in prompting innovation ecosystem, industry collaboration, and startup incubation initiative. May I now request Professor Ajay Singh Singoli to kindly address the gathering. A huge round of applause.
Thank you very much for inviting. Dr. Nidhi Sharma ma'am, Dean Applied Science and Humanities. Dr. Ramashish Choksi ji, he is an eminent scientist from DRDO, and we aspire also for working with such organization, maybe in a form of some kind of collaboration or some other association. Professor Sunil Gupta ji, Director VSET, VIPS TC. Mr. Vads, I think he is not available today. First of all and foremost, the huge shout out to the organizing team for organizing such a good conference on such an innovative topic, in fact, because that topic is quite relevant. Sustainable innovation, that is the need of the day nowadays, because when we work in the industry, everything is about waste. In shop floor, we have lots of waste available. So we require something which is circular in nature. So we always say that in factory or in shop floor, in any industrial setup, we need to have something which is circular in nature so that we can make the whole system sustainable. We cannot afford to have lots of waste in the industry shop floor and keep throwing it on the Mother Earth. So the best idea is to do everything, whatever capacity you do, in a form of circular nature of things, so that ultimately you have no waste whatsoever at all. So if waste problem will be solved, Delhi, for example, will be a good place to live, because 80% problems are because of extra waste lying everywhere in this city. So when I was invited by the organizing committee, so I was little in thinking more that because my area, those who know me, they know that my area of expertise is robotics and automation and advanced manufacturing. So I was thinking, how would I speak on materials, advanced materials and sustainable tech? But when you dig deeper, when you just go deeper into the things, you found that everything is related to material actually. So when we talk about robotics, for example, suppose we are designing a robotic arm, for example, then in that case, we need to see which material is suitable for that arm. Suppose we design a robotic arm with very heavy material, heavy cast iron, it will not able simply to run because it is a brittle material and simply break, and there's no point of using that arm for a usable technology. So the idea is to use a very lightweight, most ductile, most tough material so that it can be used for making decisions and making the task faster. So in every task of engineering, in every task of robotics and automation, manufacturing, everywhere, the selection of material is one foremost thing which is very much required, even in the designing phase. So, study of materials, study of advanced materials specifically is very much required to take the whole industry, the whole country forward in a Viksit Bharat mode, because we cannot develop the country without developing the industries. And if we develop industries, we need to be more focused on the manufacturing side, because when we go to the manufacturing side, we need to have a good material to tackle the manufacturing area. So that is why the advanced material science is one area where everybody should work. And when we say everybody should work, because all of you are researchers and students, the more focused approach is to work towards TOT, that is transfer of technology, rather working in researching papers and publishing papers. Now the focus of research should be towards transferring your technology into industry applications. So whenever you work on materials or any other technology, you should first think how we can apply this tech into the application mode. So the next big thing in this institution or in any institution where researchers are working is not focusing on publication side much, rather focusing towards transfer technology towards the real applications. So TOT, which is transfer technology, and IP, intellectual property, that is your patents or design patents, you should focus more on this area, because any tech which is being researched and developed by all of you is not usable until unless it has some IP value, or unless it has some TOT thing which can be transferred to the industry so that application can be created on the basis of that research which you have done. So I think you should be focusing more on intellectual property creation, patent creations, design creations, and then focus more on how to transfer your technology which you have just developed towards the industry goals. So I think that is one takeaway if you can take from my talk here, to transfer your whole expertise domain towards this area. How to apply, right? How to apply your research outcomes to the industry. Ultimately, if we apply this to the industry, industry will boom, our economy will boom. Ultimately, as sir was saying, we will be moving faster towards Viksit Bharat goal. So that was our should be one goal which everybody should follow. As an engineer researchers, as an engineering students, it is our responsibility to take this country forward. When I was just listening one talk from one very eminent speaker in the government sector, the problem in India is not resources. We have good amount of resources. We have material resources. India is one of the most resourceful country in the world, if you know. We have huge amount of manpower resources, we have huge amount of material resources, other kind of resources, but the problem is the development of technology is very slow. Why other countries are faster than us? Because they are investing and they are focusing more on technology development. Even if we are publishing lots of paper, if you see the paper counts internationally, we are almost on the 3rd or 4th number after China and US. So we are publishing good amount of research also. We are having lots of papers in every journal. We have journal editors from India in various places. But the problem is we are not applying that science, that research outcome into the technology area. So our country technology domain is still on the moderate level. So India needs technology in a very big way. And we are the one who would like to deliver that technology to the country. And how would you deliver? Because you need to transfer that research outcome in the lab to the market. That is where we are lagging. If I would be asking all of you, I think how many of you have initiated or thought about transfer of technology from your lab to the market? I think very few of them might have done it. So you should organize some more workshops and seminars regarding how to transfer your technology from lab to the market. Recently, AICT has launched one initiative for lab to market, which is basically focused on this thing only. So these are the initiatives by which we can take the country forward and make our country tech-enabled. We always talk about tech. India is one of the most tech-used country. We have lots of mobile phones, lots of tech, but there's no development actually on the tech side. So we are the tech users rather. So we have to become a tech developer rather than tech user. That is the biggest gap actually towards this Viksit Bharat goal of sir. And that is why our Honorable Prime Minister and other functionaries working very hard to transform this image. So that is why this semiconductor mission sir was leading, and DRDO is working very hard to develop its own indigenous technology all the time. We will not be able to develop this country unless we will be independent, Atmanirbhar. We cannot import all the time from Europe, France or American, because it's a geopolitical issue, right? So we have to be technology reliant, and that is only possible when we researchers from the grassroots level, from this lab level, to think about transferring this technology to the ultimate goal or applications in defense technology or maybe other sectors as well. So just one request to all of you, do not limit your research unto this culmination of this conference. Don't think that paper has been published, I have got the award, that's fine. Nothing. It is just a beginning of that. You have to think about transferring the project, the work you have developed from this conference to some application level. So try to read how to transfer technology. I request every student here, those who are attending this conference, they should at least read this topic, maybe from the ChatGPT itself, how to work about transferring technology from lab to the market. That is the biggest need we require actually. So that was my one advice to all of you, and many congratulations to the team, all the winners of the conference. I heard good number of papers were received in the conference, and I was just looking at the schedule of the conference. I think there was hugely popular topics like quantum and magnesium was discussed. So these are the new things which we normally do not see in other conferences. So kudos to all of you, to organizers, to organize such wonderful talks and workshops during the conference. And it's one of the most successful events in Delhi NCR, and I have seen regular conferences from VIPS, your institute. It's a very good thing, and it's a good platform for all of you to learn in-house how the research is basically being done and how the publication is being done. So once again, congratulations to all of you, and kudos to everyone, especially the organizing team, and all the best for your future. Plus, please focus more on the technology of transfer of technology and patenting. Intellectual property has to be built. Everyone requires some building of IP. That is a valuable and commercial and monetary beneficial thing. So if somebody is creating innovation, some student is creating innovation, he or she is supposed to get some patent of this thing. This is a property. So you can monitor it, you can have some monetary benefit in future. So try to build these IPs. These will be your property. It's like real estate. You can always get some benefit in future, maybe some kind of commercializations happening in that area. So try to focus on that side. So with all these words, I would like to thank you all organizers to invite me on this occasion. And thank you very much. All the best, please.
Thank you so much, sir. To provide a brief overview of the conference proceedings and achievements, I now invite Professor Nidhi Sharma, Dean Applied Sciences and Humanities, and the conference chair to present the conference report of IC-AMSI 2026. A huge round of applause for ma'am.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. It is indeed with deep gratitude and privilege I stand before you to present the conference report of the successfully concluded conference IC-AMSI 2026. The second international conference on advanced material for sustainable innovation held on 3rd and 4th of 2026 at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus, New Delhi, marked a significant academic and research milestone in the field of advanced material as well as sustainable innovation. Organized by School of Engineering and Technology, this conference reinforced the Institute's commitment to academic excellence, interdisciplinary research, and socially responsible technological advancement. The conference served as an international platform to bring together researchers, scientists, academicians, industry professionals, and students from India and abroad. The inaugural session of the conference began with the welcome address by Professor Sunil Gupta, Director, School of Engineering and Technology, VIPS Technical Campus, followed by inaugural address and conference briefing by Professor Nidhi Sharma, Dean Applied Science. The session was further graced by address of our guest of honor, Dr. Ram Ashish Chokse, Scientist F and Group Director, DRDO. The academic program featured a plenary talk by Dr. P.C. Deshmukh, RV Chair Professor, Center for Quantum Science and Technology, School of Computer Science and Engineering, RV University. He is also convener and mentor at Center for Atomic, Molecular and Optical Science and Technology, IIT Tirupati and IISER Tirupati. His topic was on solving transcendental problems on developing novel materials. This was followed by a keynote address by Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh, Scientist F, DRDO, on indigenous acoustic emission sensor system for sustainable and self-reliant India, followed by Professor Harish Kumar, Dean, National Institute of Technology, Delhi, on metrology in additive manufacturing. On the second day, that is today, the conference included a plenary lecture by Professor Manoj Gupta, Provost Chair Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, National University of Singapore, on the topic, Past, Present and Future of Magnificent Magnesium for Engineering and Biomedical Application. The conference concluded with the valedictory session comprising the valedictory address by Professor Sunil Gupta, Director, VSCT, an address by guest of honor, Dr. Ramashish Chokse, Scientist F, Group Director, DRDO, and the chief guest address by Professor Ajay Singh Singoli, sir. He is Director, IPU Innovation and Incubation Foundation, and also Proctor, GGS IPU, Guru Govind Singh Indraprasth University. It is further followed by felicitation, cultural performance, and it is to be followed by formal closing proceeding also. The conference also included a quantum workshop conducted by Mr. Deepak Upadhyay from Integrated Microsystem, which focused on Synopsys Quantum ATK software and provided participants with hands-on exposure on advanced computational tool for quantum and material simulation. In addition, the conference featured 5 technical sessions conducted in hybrid mode, during which total of 4 invited talk and 39 research presentations were delivered, showcasing a wide range of experimental and computational research contribution in the field of advanced material and sustainable innovation. Regarding funding and support, the successful organization of IC-AMSI 2026 was made possible through the generous institutional support and collaborative effort of VIPS Technical Campus. The conference received significant logistical, infrastructural, and administrative support from Institute. The funding for IC-AMSI 2026 was primarily supported through conference registration fee collected from the delegates. Regarding global academic impact, IC-AMSI 2026 attracted a diverse group of distinguished scholars and researchers from around the world, reflecting its international appeal and high academic standard. The conference scholarly output was validated by its indexing with leading publisher Springer and Springer Nature. Regarding media and outreach, to enhance the visibility and outreach, the conference collaborated with prominent media partners, including Conference Alert. Also, professional networking platforms such as LinkedIn, along with institutional social media channel, played a significant role in publicizing the conference. The conference received an overwhelming response with 79 paper submissions from various parts of the world. The selection process was rigorous, with only the most innovative and impactful research being chosen. 39 papers were was finally selected for publication by Springer Proceedings in Physics. All submissions underwent a blind peer review process, ensuring originality, technical depth, and relevance to the conference theme. In ensuring the highest standard of quality and objectivity, our conference implemented a rigorous review process, and over 25 plus distinguished reviewers from renowned institutions contributed to the evaluation of the submitted paper. Our conference benefited greatly from the guidance of distinguished advisory board comprising experts from various IIT, NIT, national and international institute of repute. The conference received overwhelming positive feedback from attendees who praised the high quality of the presentation, the organization of the event, and the opportunity of networking and collaboration. Many attendees noted that the conference has set a new standard in academic and industry collaboration, particularly in the field of advanced material. To conclude, IC-AMSI was a resounding success, showcasing the best in sustainable innovation and material science. The organizing committee extends its deepest gratitude to the distinguished speaker, participant, and everyone involved in making this conference an outstanding success. At last, as a conference chair, I would like to appreciate the effort put in by the conveners, Dr. Vanita Bharadwaj and Dr. Sonal Khurana, Dr. Navneet, Dr. Garima, and other members of organizing committee. The event has indeed set a high bar, and we look forward to continuing this journey of innovation in future edition also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for presenting such a comprehensive summary of the conference. We now move to the felicitation ceremony to honor our dignitaries and contributors for their invaluable presence and support. I request the dignitaries to kindly accept the tokens on behalf of the Institute. I request you, sir, to please be on the dais. I humbly invite Professor Nidhi Sharma, ma'am, to kindly felicitate sir with a certificate and a diary. I humbly invite Dr. Navneet to present the shawl. A huge round of applause. I now invite Professor Ajay Singh Singoli, sir, to be felicitated on stage. Ma'am, please. I request Dr. Navneet to please present the shawl. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. As we approach the conclusion of this remarkable journey, I now invite Dr. Sonal to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of IC-AMSI 2026, on behalf of the entire core team of the IC-AMSI 2026, would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected management, our director sir, our dean ma'am, for their constant encouragement, guidance, and support. I sincerely thank all the faculty members, the staff members, and the student volunteers for their dedication and valuable contributions, and for our students for their active participation and enthusiasm, which truly added life to this event. We are very grateful to everyone who supported us in making IC-AMSI 2026 the second international conference on the advanced materials for sustainable innovation, a meaningful and a successful event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank everyone who have directly or indirectly contributed to making this conference a memorable and an impactful event. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Sonal. Recognizing the excellence that motivates and continues innovation and dedication, we now begin the award ceremony to honor outstanding research contributions and achievements during the presentations of IC-AMSI 2026. I request the organizing committee to kindly be ready with the presentations. The Best Paper Award goes to Mr. Ankur Bhargava and Professor Mohammad Sohib for the title Comparative Analysis of Pathfinding's Algorithm in ROS Navigating Frameworks for Industrial Environments. A huge round of applause for sir. In absentia, we are announcing it. I request Professor Nidhi Sharma ma'am. I know, I have announced it. I request ma'am to please kindly felicitate all the students, volunteers. Nishant, Harish Sharma. Students, kindly be in a line so that we can go in a flow. These are the student volunteers for the conference. Harish Sharma, Anshika, Rakshita, please be in a line. Ishmeet, Dafin, Yuvraj, Arvind, Tanisha Rawat, Vasu Goyal, Priyanshi Rawat, Yukta Chauhan, Roshan Prasad, Ayushi Sharma, I now invite the conference coordinators, Dr. Mudita, Dr. Muhammad Atif, Dr. Bhavya Kumar, Dr. Yash Pathak, and Dr. Khushbu. A huge round of applause. For faculty members, I now invite Dr. Deepika Kumari, Dr. Nikita Sharma, that's me, Dr. Swati Shandelia, Miss Rachna Chawla, Dr. Soumya Sharma, Dr. Priyanka Chiller, Dr. Vineet Verma, Dr. Divya Khapra. Okay. All right, so for the lab staff now, Mr. Anil Tandon. Mr. Dharmendra. Mr. Tarun Kumar. Mr. Rajkumar Sharma, okay, Mr. Rohit Gupta, Miss Anjani Anand, Mr. Pranav Tripathi, Mr. Rahul Kapoor. ठीक है. I request Dr. Deepika Kumari to be on the Thank you, everyone. With this, we conclude the award ceremony of the conference. Shall we conclude? I request the dignitaries and the award recipient, along with the organizing committee, to please kindly gather for a group photograph. I request everyone to please be on the stage for a group photograph. The students can come in the back, the faculty can be up in front.